a good spiritual sign. Two of them just landed. There they are, kookaburras. Kookaburras. Considering I have a kookaburra there. I have my birdies. And then I have my birdies. Love it. It's beautiful. Love hearing them. Magic. Time to go drink more wine. I just got up out of my seat and I've lost it apparently. Excuse me. Hello. You're in my chair. Are you going to get comfy or am I sitting on the floor? Oh, bless him. Don't wink at me. Yeah, so it's my little patio. My beautiful life. It's all coming together fantastically. I've just planted some sunflower seeds. And they're about to get really big. And I'm going to have big sunflowers at the front of the property. I've been given permission to put them at the gate. So they're going to look amazing. Looking forward to sharing with everyone.